Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to build a useful password generator using Python. First, let's start with a comment header for our file and import the necessary modules. We'll need the random module to pick characters randomly and the string module to easily access predefined character sets like all lowercase letters. Now that we have our modules, let's define the character sets we'll use for passwords. The string module provides handy constants for lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and common punctuation symbols. We'll store these in variables for clarity. Next, we'll ask the user for their desired password length. We'll prompt them to enter a number, and for a beginner-friendly approach, we'll include a basic check to ensure the length is within a reasonable range, adjusting it if needed. This makes our program simple and functional. A good password generator lets the user choose which character types to include. We'll ask simple yes/no questions for lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. We convert the input to lowercase to make checking the Y or N response easier and more consistent. Now, we need to build two important lists, one containing all the characters that could be in the password, and another to hold the actual characters for the generated password. If the user wants lowercase letters, we add them to our pool and also immediately add one random lowercase character to our password list. This guarantees that at least one lowercase character will be present if requested. We'll repeat that process for uppercase letters and digits. Each time, if the user opts in, we add that character set to our general pool and then immediately select one random character from that set to guarantee its inclusion in the final password. This builds up our all_available_chars and password_chars lists. Let's finish building our character pools by adding symbols if requested, again ensuring at least one is included. It's also critical to check if the user somehow opted out of all character types. If so, we'll print an error and exit the program, as we can't generate a password without any characters. We've guaranteed at least one of each requested character type. Now, we need to fill the rest of the password up to the desired length. We'll calculate how many more characters are needed and then use a loop to pick random characters from our all_available_chars pool, adding them to our password_chars list. Even though we picked characters randomly, the guaranteed characters were added first, which creates a slight pattern. To fix this, we use random.shuffle to thoroughly mix up all the characters in our list. Finally, we join all the characters from our list into a single, strong password string. And there you have it. The final step is to display the generated password to the user. We'll print a friendly message along with the new password. Remember, good passwords are long and random. We'll also add a comment showing how to run this script.